Welcome to Fundamentals of Materials and Shading. In the real world, nothing is just grey and dull. Every object is made out of material that has some specific features. The main goal of this course is to explain the power of shaders and materials that will elevate your renders to the next level. In this course, we'll go through 4 chapters to begin our shading journey. In the first chapter, we'll talk about the basics, what kind of shaders are available in Blender, and how to keep the shader editor nice and tidy. The second chapter is dedicated to basics in Eevee Next and the new ray tracing features, light probes, shadows, screen space reflections, and all you need to know to create a good looking scene in Eevee. The final chapter explains how to make your renders more accurate, including how global illumination works, how to add realism with caustics, and how to create simple dispersion effects. So turn flat and dull materials into stunning ones and uncover the secrets of materials and shading.